Hello and mabuhay and welcome to Ibita Universe. And for tonight's episode, we will be featuring Lego Custom Level 40 Struthiomimus from Jurassic World the game. And here's the before and after. Before, after, before, after, before, after. Awesome! Now for our presentation. Hello guys, this is Uncle Mike of course, and this is our Dynamaster Champion 2022 Cretaceous Bricks, and he's going to present this very cute Struthiomimus. Okay, this is actually based off from this particular photo. As you can see, yeah, it's kinda bright, but in person it's kinda close to its coloration. And as you can see now, Extinct Bricks, thank you very much Extinct Bricks, because he's the one who did the base figure of this one. He did the kit bashing. He replaced the neck, of course, of the Dilophosaurus, and lengthened the leg, the arms, of course, and the legs. But me, I'm the one who finished the feathering details on the head and on the tail and on its arms. As for its size, I think this is quite big compared to this one, but it's still okay because level 40 exaggeration, why not? And I'm so happy because I got 2 ornithomimids on my collection, and why not, maybe soon I'll be adding some more. Oh, by the way, this is ARCHAEORNITHOMIMUS, the latest from Extinct Bricks. So he's our first guest here in this video presentation. By the way, don't forget to subscribe on our other social media platforms. Definitely this is a little taller compared to the ARCHAEORNITHOMIMUS of Extinct Bricks. Oh, thank you anyways. Up next we have this very cute and very small Pelicanimimus. I thought at first this one has an articulation, but it's not moving. Anyways, still very cute. I love the way he painted this one. Definitely my level 40 is twice the size of this one. Definitely this one for me will win. But here comes Gallimimus from Extinct Bricks. I think this is, I'm not sure if this is the third version of Gallimimus from Extinct Bricks. Of course, I'll go with Gallimimus. Up next, we have here Ornithomimus. Actually, I love the coloration of this one. So simple. The white color, I love the white color, and the beak is quite interesting, and also the legs. I love it. Thank you, Ornithomimus. Definitely I'll go with Ornithomimus. Sorry, Struthio. Up next, it's getting big. This is Beijing Long. Actually this one reminds me of Philippine Eagle. If not Philippine Eagle, the secretary bird. I'm not quite sure about that, but this reminds me of the coloration of Philippine Eagle, the black and white thing. I'll go with Beijing Long because of its size. If these two will battle out in real life. Anyways, up next we have this very big Dinoceros. I thought it's a relative of Therizinosaurus, but it's not. It's actually Ornithomimids. So Extinct Bricks said I have to include this one on the guest list. Definitely with just one step on its body, the Struthiomimus will get crumpled by this massive Dinoceras. Up next, of course, my very first ornithomimid. This is level 40 Gallimimus based on this picture. Oh, by the way, guys, this is a glow in the dark customs. Yeah, that blue thing, that light blue thing, glows in the dark if you use black light. And yeah, I love especially the coloration on the body. I love it. It's quite interesting. And guys, the gang is complete. Please, guys, leave a comment if you want to on what you can say about my customs, maybe for improvement, or also please suggest future projects that I might do in the future. I do read them up, don't worry, okay? And by the way, again, this is level 40 Gallimimus, this is Pelicanimus, Bei Long. We have Ornithomimus, we have Dinoceras, we have Gallimimus again, and of course ARCHAEORNITHOMIMUS, and of course the star of the night show, we have level 40 Struthiomimus. Yay! I got 2 Ornithomimids. Anyways, guys, that is all for now for our video for tonight. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and share this channel. And thanks for watching again. And also please watch our other channel, the Extinct Breaks, our main channel, and the Adventures of Mario and Asher, Little Mike's Kitchen. Until next time, hi Cretaceous, bye.